This is the east elevator at the Q Place Garage in Lincoln, Nebraska. This is going to be 4K 30 frames take. This is going to be a fire ride on the 1994 Montgomery East elevator. So here we go. Here it comes. It's on 2E. And here it is. Let's go to 8. Here we go. Here 8. Let's go back down to the ground. It's a nice elevator. It's got the rear door, goes to the 2 east and 1. Here at the ground. Alright, and that's it.